Reb Noson takes us deeper into the mystery of the morning. He teaches us that waking up is not just a physical act. It is a spiritual resurrection. When a person looks inside and feels far from the Creator, when they feel low in energy, heavy in spirit, this is called sleep. The sages teach that sleep is 1/60th of death. It is a state where our consciousness, our connection to life, fades away. King David speaks of this in the Psalms. O Lord, so numerous are my tormentors. Who are these tormentors? They are not armies on a battlefield. They are the tormentors of the soul. These are the voices of your own mistakes, the shadows of your past. They surround you and whisper, there is no hope for you. You will never be saved. You are too broken to be fixed. When these voices overpower a person, the soul lies down. It falls into the heavy slumber of despair. You might be walking around awake, but inside, you are asleep, trapped in the hopelessness of the night. But the truth is, you are forbidden to despair. Even in the deepest sleep, you must wake yourself up. How? By finding that single point of good. King David continues, I lay down and slept, but I awoke, for the Creator supports me. What is this support? Reb Noson reveals a profound secret. The Creator is the good. God is good to all. When you find a good point inside yourself, a moment of kindness, a pure desire, a simple good deed, you are not just finding a trait, you are finding the Creator Himself living within you. Because all good comes from the source. So when you say the Creator supports me, you are saying, the good that I found in myself supports me. That spark of holiness is the hand reaching out to pull you from the sleep. This good point is your anchor. It connects you to the infinite. And once you hold on to it, you are no longer sleeping. You are awake. And now, strengthened by this spark, you can look at your shadows and say, I have no fear of the thousands who surround me. Even if your mistakes number in the thousands, even if the negative thoughts are an army, you are unafraid. Why? Because a little bit of light chases away a lot of darkness. You have moved from guilt to merit. You have moved from sleep to life. The evil is cast aside simply because you chose to focus on the good. This is the secret of the verse. I have awakened, and I am still with you. Still with you. In Hebrew, Ve-odee. This connects to Be-odee. With my little bit. Through the little bit of good that remains in me, I am still with you. I am still connected. I am still beloved. And that is enough to wake up the dawn.